my name is Alisha from the 6th grade. Now I want to tell you about how to cook rice. The things that you need are water, other container, measuring cup, rice, and magic comb. First, measure rice with measuring cup. After that, rinse the rice thoroughly using other container. Next, put the rinsed rice in the pan. Then, add water to recommended scale. Then, place the pan into the body and close the lid firmly. And plug in and press the switch. The leg indicator cook will be on. When the rice is cooked, the leg indicator warm will be on. Finally, wet the rice until cooked well. That's all. Thank you.